Okay, what a mess this is. What a can of worms I opened up. This is my own personal 351 Cleveland. I'm building for a street strip car. On my playlist, you'll see we have a 31.5 window coupe we're building. This is going to be the engine for it. If this engine would have come in from a customer, I would have refused to do it. I would have made him buy another block. This thing was used up. It is garbage. But I kind of like, for my own self, salvaging stuff like that. I'm going to be the one using it, so if it blows up, it don't matter, right? The block had quite a few cracks down the left side, right around the motor mount area. I suspect maybe it'd been in a bad collision or something, and the motor mount cracked the block. So we've ground that all out, and we used silicon bronze, and we TIG welded it in. We preheated the whole thing, not to a crazy amount, silicone bronzed it. I've done that with cast iron before. It works pretty good. So I figured we'd try it again on this one. The thing had already been bored 60 thou over. That's a lot for Cleveland. But we're gonna, we're gonna go with that. It didn't have any wear, so we don't have to bore it anymore. Needed a couple sleeves because water had gotten in the cylinder walls. The line hone was way out. The crank wouldn't even turn in the thing. So yeah, this poor girl had a rough life, so it'd be kind of nice to give it a second chance. Don't know what else to tell you about the build. It's the rods. We're going to fully prep the rods, polish the beams, internally balance the crank like I mentioned. Going to get some really nice parts. It's going to all new stainless steel valves, rocker arms, solid lifted cam, ground to my own specs. ARP rod bolts, rod bolts, head studs, main studs. We're going to build our own girdle for the bottom end. We're going to build our own oil pan. We're going to build our own tunnel ram. It's going to be a lot of fun. We're going to really fast track it. So, if the few parts I still need come in quick, we got like a 30-day deadline on this. So the car's not going to be ready. I just want to hear the engine run. So, hey, have a nice evening, everyone. Thanks for tuning in.